This tasty and easy to make Pohane Jabolke is one of my faves. So you're going to need flour, sugar, salt, 1 egg, a couple apples, milk, and optional cinnamon. And baking powder. 1 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and set aside. Take a separate bowl. Three-quarter cup of milk. Combine. If your batter is too thick, like this one is, simply add like another 1 or 2 tablespoons of milk. And that's kind of a perfect consistency. Cut your apples into about 1/4 inch thick slices. The oil should be hot, about 350 degrees, and then just simply dip, drain, and drop. So once they're golden, flip them over and fry on the other side. About 1 minute per side, and then just drain them on a paper towel. I like to do half as slices and half I like to chop up to make it more fritter-like. It's just chop up what you got left and then you mix it in with the batter real good, and then just drop them into the hot oil and fry them. While still warm, sprinkle with sugar, or you can add a little more cinnamon on top, or you can use icing sugar. Enjoy while they're warm. Choices, choices. All right, we'll try this one. It's good. Oh, the memories. Wspomina.